Okay, sometimes you get an Amazon order in and we don't have the product. However, with Amazon, you have to fulfill it within a 48-hour period. Because of this, we have to do what we call a pre-fill. So this is different than a regular order off the internet just through Shopify. So just for example, I printed an order off here. We don't have this. I have it ordered. It will be in on Wednesday. So the order number is 24765. So we'll go up here, 24, let me refresh the page. Have that come back up. Okay, now we got the new orders in. So 24765 is right down here. Okay. And on that, it says fulfill by Wednesday. That actually means Tuesday night. And the way you can tell that I clicked on the order, it gives you the detail of the Amazon order status. There's the ID, the earliest ship date, and the latest ship date. So the latest ship date is 8/31. Today's 8/29. So that means, and it says 6:59 Greenwich Mean Time. It basically means midnight Tuesday night before it turns into Wednesday. So since we won't get that product until Wednesday, we need to pre-fulfill this and then we'll send it out. So the way we do that is we go ahead and act like we're fulfilling the order. So we've got the order here, we've got it pulled up here, but we don't have the product. So on this one, I do know with the Earth Animal bottles, they go into a 6x6 box. Now what you can do is you can actually go and get a box over there. You can wrap it up, and we have other Earth Animal products, not the Calmness, but maybe Aches and Pains or one of those, and wrap it up and put it in a box just to make sure you have the proper box size and then weigh it out. Now, I've done this enough times that I know with these, it's a 6x6 box. So I'm gonna write that down here on the bottom of the paper. 6x6x6. Okay, so I know what box is gonna go in with this. And then you have to weigh it. So you go over normally to here and you weigh it on the scale. Again, I know this because I've done it enough times that one Earth Animal bottle in a 6x6 box weighs 0.5 pounds. So it's a half pound that this thing will weigh. So I know the box size and I know the weight. And with that, I can go ahead and fulfill the order. Again, if you have to actually get one out of a different product and go through and find out the box size and the weight, that's okay. Just make sure you put it back and don't send it because it's the wrong product. And now we're just going to fulfill it with the information we have. So we'll go back to the order. We're going to hit create shipping label just like we would with any other order. So it's going to come up. There's Earth Animal. There's one of them. Okay, the box we need is a 6x6. That's just what came up from the last package. So we're gonna leave it the same, and then we gotta change the weight to 0.5. Click on the side. Okay, then down here we have to pick the cheapest shipping package, which in this case is with tracking. So there's first class with tracking, so we know we want that one. That will be the cheapest one. Sometimes that Parcel Ground Select is cheaper, but not in this case. Then we go down to here, and then what we do is we uncheck the shipping information. Okay, we don't want to send any shipping information out. And we hit buy the shipping label. So now the order's been fulfilled, but we do not print the shipping label. We won't do that until the product comes in, and then we'll ship it out. So that product is fulfilled. So the last thing we want to do is we want to go, we've got the package size, we got the weight, we've got it fulfilled. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the order and we are going to look up the latest delivery date. That's down here, not the ship date, the delivery date. And we're going to write that down at the bottom of the page. So here the delivery date is 9/7, okay? So we'll write down on the bottom of this page 9-7. Because now we know the latest ship date is 9/7. Normally never an issue, but sometimes if we get a little late or pushed on shipping out Amazon orders, we got to make sure that we don't miss that date. So we put it on there so we don't have to look it up again. Once you pre-fulfill the order, we pick the order up, And normally this would go into the box to be shipped out, but since we don't have it, we put it over here in this racking, just to the right of the computer on the bottom. That means it's been pre-fulfilled, and we know it's been ordered, because I already ordered this product. And then as shipments come in, we always check that to make sure those orders go out. The top one, I don't have it in there right now, but for example, this one needs to be pre-fulfilled. I put these in after I order the product, so that way I know it's been ordered, but it hasn't been pre-fulfilled. So then once I pre-fulfill it, I'll put it down into the bottom rack, and then we know we have it. And then when an Amazon order comes in from Pet Food Experts, we know we always should check the bottom rack to make sure we get those orders filled as well. And all we have to do is print the shipping label, put it in the proper box size, because we already know that because we wrote it down on here. Don't have to weigh it or anything, and just ship it out. And that is pre-fulfilling Amazon orders.